Now that we have some knowledge of Excel, it's time to go online and input some prices. You can go to any lumber store website that will allow you to search for material and prices. I'm going to the Home Depot for this example. Bring up the website and align your windows side by side. Now I'm going to come down and I'm going to minimize these cells so that we can see what's going on a little bit bigger. And so I'm going to need 175 2x4 by 8 or by 10 feet because my basement is a little bit bigger. So 175 tab. What are we buying? 2x4 by 10 foot. And these are going to be studs. Then we come over here and we go 2x4 by 10 feet. And we'll go search, and here we have 2x4 by 8, 2x4 by 10 right here, 852. So we'll just pop in here 852, 8.52, and hit tab. Now we also need some plate material. So if we'll take 175 feet divided by 16 footers equals 10.93, and because we have to buy full things, then we need to buy 11 2x4 by 16s, and this is called top plate. And so we need to come in here and go 2x4 by 16. So down here it says 2x4 by 16 prime 1348. So we'll just come up here and do 13.48 and hit tab, and there it has generated. Now we also need a bottom plate, and we need equal to, so it will be 11 2x4 by 16. This will be pressure treated, and let's go, oh, we got pressure treated right here. Now we can see that our pressure treated 2x4 number 2 ground contract Hem-Fir pressure treated lumber is 1468, and hit tab, and on and on and on. If we did our formula correctly, we come down here, we can see our subtotal, we can see our sales tax, and we can see our grand total. Now the other thing that we can do is we can have categories. So if we'll come in here and say, okay, the next thing is going to be electrical work, back into the cell and align it properly, and we also change our font size to 20. Now the other thing we can do, if we want to keep track of categories, then we can come to the cell right to the right of the bottom line and click auto sum and drag it all the way up and click enter. Then we need to increase the size of that so it shows up. Now if we go back down to the bottom, how that is registering the same price as up here. And so there we have it. And so the next step is to go through and get everything into this document so that you can come up with a price. Now I have gone through and made a list, and for your benefit I'm going to show you my generated list, not all the prices but the generated list. So here I've jotted down a few things. Now feel free to do screenshots, and I'm just going to go page by page. So here we have framing, part of electrical, plumbing, sewer, bathroom fixtures and insulation, R13 for now. Go R13, 19, whatever thickness your walls are, or whatever. Drywall tools you may need to buy or rent. Trim for your basement. doors, casings, base, shelving, door shims and nails, typical hardware, painting, tile, flooring, and your totals. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, strike that bell, and hammer that like button. Come back and visit me as I finish my basement.